How to add a timer or countdown to video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a timer or stopwatch to your video using CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut, and once you have opened it, just import the video where you want to add the timer to. So here I'm going to simply import this video, and here, once I have imported the video, I'm gonna simply add the video clip to the timeline. And here, once I'm done adding the video clip to the timeline, now we need the timer video too. So for that, you can easily download it from the YouTube. And here, once you search for this timer countdown effect, here you can simply click on filters, and from the pop-up menu you can simply click on Creative Commons to find the free timer video. So from here you can download it, or if you don't want that, you can simply go to the CapCut, and from here at the top right corner you can see the option labeled as media. So simply click on that, and after that on the pop-up menu you can see the option labeled as library. So simply click on it here, and from here you can simply search for the timer video. And here, once you have found it, simply select the timer video that you want to add. For this video, I'm going to simply add this one. And here, once you click on the plus icon, it will directly be added to your video. So here you can adjust it, and that's it. That's how you can add a timer into CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.